Hey, so I've been wearing this wig from Amazon for about a month and I just have to come tell you about it. This wig is a deep wave wig. It's 26 inches, 150% density, and I got it in a 4x4 closure, just, for easy maintenance and whatever. I paid about $153, so I feel like it's affordable for 26 inches. Now this is what the hair looks like after I done ran my fingers through the hair. The hair is so soft, so I've been loving that. But I'm gonna show what products I've been using just to be able to keep the softness of the wig and also to not have it so tangly that as it can get sometimes. Right now I'm just using some Tresemme products to wash the hair. As I said, I've been wearing this hair for about a month, so that's why it looks so dirty. The hair did not look like that when I first got it. When I first got the hair, honestly, I just took some of my conditioner and detangled it, and it came out like butter. But I'm going to show you all the tangles that I get just from regular wear of this wig. It's not that bad, but as you can see, like the comb was like barely going through the hair. So you're about to see my solution, and you're gonna see how silky smooth this wig gets. And boom, look at that brush slide through that hair like butter. Yeah. Here are the products that I use on the hair. I apply all of these products while the hair is still wet. I don't know why. I just feel like it applies better or more easy. I don't know. But yeah, it's just some argan oil, some hair mousse, and some hair gel. And I also just like straighten up my part just so that everything can dry and mold in one place. You can also notice when I apply the products, I'm more so focusing on the ends of the hair first and then like bringing it up to the top, because the ends are just so dry. I just want to lock in as much moisture as possible. Also, if you notice, the hair does shed, but it is an Amazon wig. It's only $153, so these things are expected to happen. The shedding isn't terrible though. It's not like embarrassing shedding. It's just normal shedding from a wig. And this is what the hair is looking like after it's dried down with all of the products in it. So freaking pretty. I mean, look at these waves. Are you seasick or am I tripping? Because this wig is pretty AF. The ends, they look a little scraggly. They can always be trimmed, but that's okay. The hair looks good. That's what I'm really here for. Let's get into this closure. The lace, the knots on this wig was impossible to bleach, but I mean, that's okay. I figure most of the strands on there weren't even human hair, so it's okay. Now let's get into this review. Now we're here after the hair has been dried. I air dried it, and I did wear the hair yesterday, but that's okay. What's about to happen now is I'm going to take this cream foundation and a foundation brush, and I'm just going to apply it to the bottom of the closure, just to give it a little bit more skinny skin look. There's already foundation on it, but I'm just gonna do this for the purpose of the video. So I'm gonna go ahead and hot comb the hair on the lace back so that when I go to apply the wig, it's a lot more easier for me to work with. Most Amazon wigs will have filler strands, so the wigs are not going to be 100% human hair, and that's most likely why they cost what they cost. But yeah, those can really just be plucked out. They're usually blue or red threads or like elastic threads. Pluck them out, keep it pushing. Now that the wig has been prepped and hot combed and everything, I'm gonna go ahead and just work on my hair real quick so that I can install this wig. This is usually what my hair looks like before I put my wig on. It's just flat twisted down. I've had these flat twists in for a minute, so yeah. I'm gonna go in with just the edge control. I'm just using an edge booster. And I'm gonna slick my baby hairs back. Once my edges and baby hairs are pushed back, I'm gonna go ahead and put on my wig cap. This was a little too light for me, but we move. Alright, so I don't do the ball cap method for any of my wigs. I feel like it's just a lot of work for no reason. And the wig cap be coming off under the wig anyway. It's just a lot. So this is what I do. I got this from Ivy Powell. I think that's her name. Basically what she does is she does this and then gets her foundation and then puts the foundation in her hair, on her forehead, to just give that illusion, you know? And now that we have our fake ball cap method, we can go ahead and put this wig on. I'm just gonna take the black Got To Be Glued gel and apply it to my scalp, or my forehead, apply it to my forehead. I don't know why I keep saying scalp. Alright, so this trick I got from the TikTok girlies, using the cream foundation in a dark color and putting it on the top of your lace. Please, for the love of God, do not put that darker color on the bottom of your lace because your wig will look crazy. Only the top, make it look cute, melt that thing, and keep it pushing. And I'm pretty much done. Just gotta let these baby hairs set. And y'all ready for the finished look? Let's get into it. So this is everything laid down. So the wig is looking like it's giving natural. This is just a little hairstyle that I decided to do with the hair. I did like 2 braids in the front, look cute or whatever. I hope you guys enjoyed this review, and if y'all decide to buy this wig, the link will be in the description box. Thanks for watching. Love ya. Bye.